Today's video is a GATE exam preparation video. We'll be doing series of GATE exam preparation classes, and this is the part 1 of GATE exam preparation video. And today we are going to deal with digital, electronic and logic circuits. And we'll be discussing previous year questions of GATE exam in this video. So let's see what are the questions. So the first question which we are going to discuss in this class is this. Which of the following doesn't represent XNOR? XNOR and XOR are there. XOR not equal to XNOR. So this was been asked in GATE 2013. And the options given are XY plus X bar Y bar, X XOR Y bar, X bar XOR Y, X bar XOR Y bar. So before answering this question, you should understand two things. One is XOR and second is XNOR. The representation of XOR is this, and if you are going to take A XOR B, that is A B bar plus A bar B, and XNOR is the NOT of XOR and it is expanded as AB plus A bar B bar. So this is the definition of XOR and XNOR. So the question is, you have to find which doesn't represent XNOR. That is, if you expand the options, which one will not give you this? That is AB plus A bar B bar 4. So let's see what are the options. So the first option is XY plus X bar Y bar. So from the definition of XNOR itself, it's right. So the option A is correct answer, though. So that is not your right answer for this question. Next, option B is X XOR Y bar. So let's expand that. X XOR Y bar equal to X XOR Y bar equal to X bar Y bar plus X Y bar the whole bar, which is X bar Y bar plus X Y bar the whole bar is X Y itself, so that is XY. So you got X bar Y bar plus XY. While expanding the second option, that is option B, you got the equation of XNOR. So here I have written AB plus A bar B bar is a general form. So according to that, your option B is also right. So option A is right and option B is also right. So similarly, if you look at option B, you don't have to expand it by seeing the option B and option C, which is similar. Here it is Y bar, here it is X bar. So you don't have much time to waste in GATE exams. So from the option B, you know option C is also right. So while expanding this option, you will also get the same format. Now, so according to this, you got that your right answer will be option D. But we'll see what is the expansion of option D. It is X bar XOR Y bar. That is equal to X bar Y bar the whole bar plus X bar the whole bar Y bar. That is, you got is X bar Y bar the whole bar is Y plus X Y bar. So this is actually the expansion or the equation of XOR, not XNOR. You want the expansion for XNOR. So the correct answer here is option D, which is your last option. So the second question, the truth table represents which function? Option A X, option B X plus Y, option C X XOR Y, option D Y. This question has been asked in GATE 2012. So you have to find what is actually this function, which of this represent the f of xy. So if it is X, let's see, 0, here f is 0, 0 again 0, 1 and again 1. So it is a very simple question. So the function f of xy is nothing but your x itself. So f of xy equal to x. So this is your correct answer, and the correct option here is option A. So this is a very simple question. Third question, what is the minimal form of K-map? And this question has been asked in GATE 2011. So there are 4 options. So you have to reduce this K-map for the minimal representation. So I'm going to pair the ones here. So I'm not going to read the options. First I'm going to try, then I'm going to look whether I got any options same from the K-map. So I'm going to pair the ones here. So here, okay, so these 4 will become a pair, and the equation here will be, here common is D bar, and here it is D bar. So I can write D bar, B bar. Now there is a 1 left. This X represent don't case. You know that the X represent don't case. So there is a one more 1 here. So I'm going to pair it again like this. So from this you got plus C bar, and here common is again B bar. So this is your minimal representation. Now let's look whether the options have this answer. Yes, option B is B bar, D bar plus B bar, C bar. So this is B bar, D bar plus B bar, C bar. So which is your answer here? And the option correct here is option B. So if you minimize this K-map, the representation or the equation you will get is B bar, D bar plus B bar, C bar. So that is the correct answer for your question number 3. So the last question which we are going to discuss today is this. The question is, what is the result of this logic circuit? The options are given: Q plus R bar, B Q plus P, C Q bar plus R, D R plus P the whole bar. So your inputs are P, Q and R. So we'll see what is the end result of this last logic gate. So all these gates are NOR gates. So this question is being asked in GATE 2010. So we'll simplify each of this logic gate outputs and see what is the final result. Inputs for a NOR gate, NOR will take the complement or take the NOT of your addition. That is, you are going to apply P plus Q. So the result will be P plus Q bar. So that is a simple output for a NOR gate. So all gates are NOR gates. So the output here will be similarly Q plus R bar. So here the inputs are P and R. So the result is P plus R the whole bar. Here it is Q and R. So Q plus R the whole bar. Now what will be your output here? Take the sum of 2 and the complement of that sum. That is P plus Q bar plus Q plus R bar the whole bar. Similarly, here P plus R bar plus Q plus R bar the whole bar. So that is your output here and here. And here, what will be your output? Take the sum of these two and then take the complement. That is. So what will we do? So this is a large equation. So it is very hard to simplify. First we will simplify these two equations, then apply to this case. P plus Q bar can be written as P bar into Q bar plus Q plus R bar can be written as Q bar into R bar the whole bar. So that is, take a Q bar common, Q bar into P bar plus R bar the whole bar. So by applying A into B the whole bar, here you are going to take this Q bar as A, you are going to take this as B. So again, applying De Morgan's law here, it is Q bar the whole bar plus, so here it is B, that is P bar plus R bar the whole bar. Here again apply De Morgan's law, that is you will get Q plus P bar the whole bar into R bar the whole bar. That is again you are going to apply the De Morgan's law here, that is A plus B the whole bar form, which will be A bar into B bar. That is P bar the whole bar is P and R bar the whole bar is R. So you got is Q plus PR, and here I got is R plus PQ. Now I am going to apply these two results to this gate and take the sum and finally the complement. That is here the output is PR plus Q plus this gate's output R plus PQ the whole complement, and if you solve this you will get your final result. Now we are going to solve this equation. So here I am going to do is I am going to take a Q common from this term and an R common from this term. That is I can write this equation as Q into 1 plus P plus R into 1 plus P. So this is the simplified form of the inner term. There is a whole complement. Now 1 plus any term is 1 itself, you know that. So Q plus R the whole bar. So you can write it as Q plus R the whole bar. So this is your correct answer. So which is your option? It is option A. So the correct answer for this question is option A. So while looking this question, it is a very big circuit. So you have to simplify all this. But if you know the De Morgan's law and correct simplification format, is very simple, and never skip these type of questions. If you like this video, please do share this video with your friends and also with your family. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel also.